Are you tired of getting drenched every time you step out onto your patio? Today, we're exploring how you can build your own DIY freestanding wood patio cover, a perfect solution for staying dry and enhancing your outdoor space. The goal of this guide is to help you construct a freestanding patio cover that is cost-effective and customizable to fit your outdoor area perfectly. Begin by removing any existing structures like an old deck and prepare the site. This might involve fixing any issues with your house's siding or addressing erosion under existing concrete. Measure the area where you want your patio cover to stand. We used a pre-templated plan which simplifies the process. Gather all necessary materials such as Z-Max post anchors, rafter hangers, polycarbonate roofing panels, and the required tools like a hammer drill and miter saw. Ensure you have protective gear like gloves and goggles for safety. Mark the location for the frame posts on your concrete slab using chalk. Double-check your measurements before proceeding. Drill holes using a hammer drill equipped with a masonry bit. Place the post anchors and secure them with concrete anchors, ensuring they are well aligned and stable. With the post holders in place, start framing your patio cover. It's helpful to have assistance to ensure everything is level and secure. Add extra stability by using lag screws at each joint and rafter hangers at purlin locations, especially if your area experiences heavy snow. Lay the polycarbonate roofing panels, overlapping them as specified by the manufacturer to ensure a watertight seal. Use roofing panel spacers to maintain even spacing and secure the panels with screws. Once the roof is in place, apply linseed oil to any exposed wood to protect it from the elements and extend its lifespan. To recap, building a DIY freestanding wood patio cover involves careful planning, precise measurement, and diligent construction. By following these steps, you can create a durable and attractive patio cover that keeps you dry and comfortable in any weather. This project not only saves you money compared to pre-built options, but also adds a personal touch to your outdoor living space.